So you're trying to figure out how to make your first payment with Kikoff? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly how you can go about doing that. I'm literally going to be making my payment here live in this video, and also I'm going to be giving you a bureau update. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera and we're gonna jump right into today's content. All right, so you can see we are inside of the Kikoff back office. So as you can see right off the bat, you can see right here, it says your wallet $11, okay, because I've already made one payment. All right, so you can see over here, it says loan balance. So you can see it right here. The amount paid was $1. That was my first month. Now it's time for me to actually make my second payment. And I wanted to do it live because I did get a couple of questions from my other videos. So I figured, hey, might as well show you exactly how you can go about, making your payment. All right, so as you can see right here, it says you have one installment due. And then all I'm gonna have to do is just click right here, click the drop down arrow. And then you can see it says installment 2 of 12. Due date 9/26/20, which is today, on the day that I'm recording this video. So I'm gonna hit click to pay. All right, boom. So you can see, boom, it's paid and it's doing this little thing, whatever it's doing. It says congrats on making your payment. You should be able to see your first credit score before the end of the month. We send data to the credit bureaus once a month like other lenders, including credit card companies. Did you know your lender's reporting date could impact your credit score? Right, I'm just gonna go ahead and click, but if you want to, you can continuously going through with the little automated system right there, right? So now you see it says loan balance $10, okay? So I have 10 payments to go. All right, so that's how you make your payment, real simple. Or you could actually go over here to like the installments, and then you could do the same thing. So if I hadn't have click to pay over there, I could have literally came over here to installments and then click to pay over here. Those are two different ways that you can actually make that happen. Now, what I wanna do real quickly is I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna block out my info, but I do wanna go here, down here at the bottom to where it says links, and then I'm gonna click on FAQ. So now I was doing a little bit more research, right? Because I had, remember from my previous video, if you watched it, if this is your first video that you're catching about Kikoff, definitely I'll link those up in the card section, up in the top right corner of this video. You can go check those videos out. But I did an update video for the bureaus that actually reported it. So Equifax actually reported it, and Experian, it came up on both of those. And in that video, I said, I was waiting on a TransUnion. So I was like, okay, it should have reported by now. But I went ahead, I did some more research, and what I found in the FAQs. Let me go down here. So it says, how many bureaus do you report to? So if we click on it, it says we report all members to Experian and Equifax. Now here's the thing. Here's the little the extra thing that I found. So it says the 2 largest credit bureaus. So it says we only report to TransUnion if you are new to credit. Okay, so if you're new to credit, like if you don't have any credit, then they'll actually report it to TransUnion. So at that point, they would then report to all 3 bureaus. Now, if you're someone like myself who's had credit, for a good amount of years now, it's just going to mostly report to your Experian and Equifax, which is, what I showed you guys in the last video. It actually reported to those 2 rather quickly. Now, of course, that depends on when you actually do it. Sometimes it takes 30 days. Sometimes it takes 45 days to actually appeal on your credit. Just for me though, I think I kind of timed it up right, and then it actually appeared very quickly for me. Okay, but I just wanted to show you this right here just so you guys are aware. So if you're like, oh well, I don't see it on my TransUnion, if you already had credit, if you're not new to credit, it's not going to show up on your TransUnion. But if you're new, you have the opportunity to have it show up on all 3 of them. So hopefully you got something from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you haven't got started with Kikoff yet, Go ahead and use the first link down below in the description. You can use this. It's a free tool to actually help you build your credit. As we know, if you don't know, payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Okay, so it's very important. So you definitely want to have something, you know, especially a free tool like this that you can actually use to, you know, help boost your credit. All right. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate you for watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you got something from it, and also drop me a comment down below. All right. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.